Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Highguard on PC using Steam. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get right into it. First, open Steam on your PC. In the search bar at the top, type Highguard and press Enter. Click on Highguard from the search results. Once you're on the Highguard store page, click on Play Game. Now select the installation drive where you want the game to be installed. After that, click Install. Accept the terms when prompted. Now just wait for the game to download and install on your computer. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to your Steam library. Find Highguard in your list of games. Click on it and press Yes to launch the game. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Highguard on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.